Baby Einstein, Touch and Feel Farm Animals, written by Julie Eigner Clark, illustrations by Nadim Zaidi. Who do you see on the farm? I see a sheep. Bah! Bah! The sheep calls out. She says hello in her own way. What a fluffy, woolly sheep. Let's feel her fleece today. Who do you see on the farm? I see a cow. The cow is calling moo, moo. I think she wants to play. What a gentle, happy cow. May we feel your nose today? Who do you see on the farm? I see a goat. Crunch, crunch, munch, munch. The goat loves to eat his hay. This Billy Goat's a silly goat. May we feel your beard today? Who do you see on the farm? I see a rooster. The rooster struts around the farm. He puts on quite a display. He shouts, let's feel his comb today. Who do you see on the farm? I see a horse. Clip, clop, clippity, clop. Trotting here from far away. The horse came up to say, hello. May we feel your mane today? The end.